In this video I want to explain about the CLR table. So this is a fifth example for the bottom up parsing, and you know that the rules which are going to be followed for the CLR table construction. What is the first step and first rule? Construct the LR1 canonical collection or canonical form. After that, second rule, by using that LR1 canonical collection, we have to construct the CLR table. And in case of whenever you construct the CLR table, in case of there is a conflict you identify, then the given grammar is not a CLR table. Otherwise, the given grammar can able to parse by the CLR parsing. And here so first let us go to the step 1, construct the LR1 canonical collection or canonical form. So before go to start the LR1 canonical form, first we need to define the augmented grammar. Augmented grammar nothing but derive the start symbol by using the another symbol. So this is nothing but a augmented grammar. Augmentation is nothing but it is a bottom up parsing. We are moving from bottom to the top direction. So bottom, always the bottom leaves are consisting of a terminal. So terminals are going to be reduced to the non-terminals, and finally they reach at the start symbol. But we have to reduce the start symbol with the augmented symbol, then only we completely visited the tree. So to perform this kind of operation, we are implementing the augmented grammar. So generally in all LR1 as well as LR0, we are implementing the LR augmentation. So let us go to the LR1 canonical form. So initially we are starting with the augmented production only. So this is a augmented production. So whenever you take the augmented production, first you have to put the dot in front of the capital F's. Okay. So after this dot there is a non-terminal, so that we have to write the all closures of that non-terminal. This is a rule I already know from the previous examples. So dot is used to identify the where we are in the past tree. Now presently we are at the constructing the I0 item set, and dot we have to put at beginning of this augmented production, augmented production, and after this dot there is a non-terminal, so that whenever after the dot, in case of there is a non-terminal, then we have to derive the closures of that variable. Here closures are nothing but the productions which are derived by that symbol. So now how many productions are deriving? Let us go to this grammar. This is actual grammar. There are 4 productions are there totally, and 3 productions are deriving from S only, and 1 production is derived by the C. Then you have to write the R closures of capital S. How many closures are there? There are 3 closures are there. 1, and according to this one, what is the lookup of this production? This lookup of production is always become a dollar only. Augmented symbol, their lookup is become a dollar. So then after that you have to write the closures. 1 closure, 2nd closure, 3rd closure. Now these 3 closures has been completed. These are derived by the capital S, and whenever you take the any new closure, we have to put the dot at beginning of right side part of the production. Again you have to put the dot at beginning of right side part of the production. This one is completed. And what is the lookup after this S? In case of lookup is nothing but the very next symbol of this capital S. So for the sake of capital S, you have taken the 3 closures as well. For the sake of this S, you also consider the what is the next character after the capital S. According to this production, there is no next character is available. It is directly there is only one symbol, so that we have to take the look ahead as a dollar only. Dollar. In case of after this S, any other symbol is there, the symbol is become a lookup of that other production closures of S. Closures of S. Now closures of S are these 3 production. These 3 production lookup is become a dollar. Okay. Then again you verify the 2nd production. After this dot, any non-terminal, it is not a non-terminal, it is a terminal. So no closures will not be taken. The next 3rd production after this dot, this is there also. It is a terminal, so that we cannot derive the any closures. But 4th production, here dot, after this dot there is a non-terminal, so that after this dot there is a non-terminal, so that we have to write the closures of A. Closures nothing but the production which are derived by the A. So I am taking first closures. And what is the look ahead? Whenever you take the any closures, then you also define the what is the look ahead of it. So look ahead is nothing but after this capital any non-terminal, what is the next character? So after this A, what is the next character? So it is A. A is become a lookup. This is not equal to the follow. Follows are nothing but will verified in all production. So like A, after this A, B should also consider, after this A should also consider in follow set, but it is not follow, it is a look ahead. So where we are now presently, we are presently at this capital A. For this A only, what is the next character? So that is meaning of a look ahead. Look ahead is nothing but for this A you are writing one closures. For this A, what is the next character after this A? So that is nothing but a look ahead. In the look ahead, we should not consider this A and this B. Okay, so we have to consider where we are now presently, which production is going to be right for the closures, and for that variable only we have to write the look ahead. Okay, so this is completely a one item set I0. Now let us move from one state to another state by visiting of one symbol by the symbol. So whenever you are visiting whenever you travel over the capital S, where you will reach. So if dot is move over the capital S, it is a go to operation. Whenever moves are created over a non-terminal, then they are called as a go to operations. Now where you will reach at the S derive S dot. So now one symbol has been completed. Then once the lookahead is created, this lookahead is continue until it is reduce the entire production. So dollar is a lookahead of this production, so that we have to write dollar as usually. Now this is a item set 2, item set 1, and this state is a reduced state. How do you know it is a reduced state? Because after this dot no other symbols are there. It is a no other symbol to visit. So it is nothing but a reduced state. All symbols has been visited. There is only one symbol, that symbol has been visited. So we applied the go to operation over the capital S, and we reach at the end of the production. This is nothing but a reduced production. Now this is a augmented reduction, because the symbol is, see, it is a reduce, but it is where it is reducing to the capital S dash. This is the augmented symbol reduction. So we can also call as, whenever for every grammar one augmented production reduction will be will happen for every grammar. So this reduction is called as a accept. Okay, then next create move over small d. So where you will reach? You reach at the S derive d dot ca, and what is the lookahead of this production? Dollar. As well you put the dollar here. So now after this dot, is there any non-terminal? No non-terminal, it is a terminal only, so that we cannot write the closures. This is the item set number 2. Now again you have to move over third production, move over small d again. So where you will reach? You will reach at S derive dot ab. What is the lookahead which is created here at this point? Dollar. So dollar as well you have to take. So after this dot, is there any non-terminal? Yes, it is a non-terminal, capital A. So that we have to write the production which is derived by the capital A, and you have to write. So and what is the lookahead of this production? This capital A lookahead is become a small b. So small b is become a lookahead of this production. Dot is in front of capital A, so that you are writing the closer of that A as well. So for this A, what is the next character? The next character is become a b, small b, so that you have to write the small b. Whenever you derive the new closures, then only you have to write the new set of lookahead also. In case of there is no b at this position, then who will become lookahead? Dollar become a lookahead, but there is a one character after this capital A, so that there is a here we have to write this small b as a lookahead. Now this is another item set, but see, according to the so okay, this is one item set. So but according to the LR1 or LR0, all canonical collections are deterministic. Deterministic is nothing but should not create the multiple moves on same symbol to another state. Here see, how many times we are creating moves over the capital S? Only once. But how many times we are creating move over the small d? 2 times. Now this is nothing but a non-deterministic. So non-deterministics are not recommended for the LR0 or LR1. So that we have to combine the all other productions which are derived over the same symbol into the single state. We have to combine these kind of states into the single state. We should create only single transmission, so that we should not take this. Okay, so include them into the previously created state. Okay, the previously created state is a I2. So in I2 only you have to write all those things. So S derive small d over, you will reach d dot a, and after this a and dollar as usually, and after this a there is a non-terminal, so that we have to write the closures of that a. So a derive dot c. Now what is the lookahead of this production? After this a there is a only one character, that is as b. B is become a lookahead. So this is a I2. So you must be remember this point. After that, create over capital A. So where you will reach? You will reach at the S derive a dot. What is the product? What is the lookahead of this production? Dollar. So dollar you have to put here. Now this is item set number 3. Now move over small c. Fifth production. Move over small c. Where you will reach? You will reach at the S derive c dot. So what is the lookahead for this production? A. So usually you have to take the A, and this is the item set number 4. Then this one is completed. This one is a accept. Then come to the I2. So move over small c. Where you will reach? Move over small c. You will reach at the A derive d c dot a. So nothing but c has been visited, and we are reach at the c dot a. Now what is the lookahead for this production? So this production lookahead is become a dollar. So as usually you have to create. Actually this dollar is created at the I0, and to be continued for the complete reduction of this production. Now after this dot, any non-terminal, there is no non-terminal, it is a terminal, so no closures can create. Now move over capital A. Move over capital A. So move over capital A. Where you will reach? Second production. Move over capital A. You will reach at the D derive A dot B. A dot B. After this, what is the lookahead? Dollar. After this dot, is there any non-terminal? So no non-terminal. It is a terminal only. So this is a item set I6. The next, move over C. Where you will reach? You will reach at the A derive A C dot. And what is the lookahead? B as well we have to keep, but see here again it is break the rule of a deterministic of LR0 and LR1, because it is create the multiple moves on small c. So whenever you see such kind of situation, we have to combine the states into the single state. We have to combine the states into the single state. Okay, so you should not take this one. Okay, you have to combine this into the single state. Now same, move over the small c, and what is the lookahead of this production? B. So this is the item set I5. The next one, I3. Move over small a. Where you will reach? You will reach this one completed. This one completed. Now third one, move over small a. You will reach at the AA dot dollar. So this is I7. This one also completed. This one already completed, is a reduced state, because after this dot there is no other symbols are there. Okay, this is a lookahead only. Now go to the I5. Move over small a. Where you will reach? You will reach at the S derive C A dot. This is now become a reduced state, because dot reach at the end of the production. What is the lookahead? Capital S. Now lookahead is become a dollar. Now here actually the production lookahead is created in this position, and it is reached at this I2, after that I5, after that complete I8. Now can you create any move over this C? No, because move over any other symbol after this dot, no other symbols are available, so it is a reduced statement, reduced production. Now all productions has been completed in I5. Then I6 can create the move over B. It is nothing but a shifting. So the moves are created over this terminal, then it is nothing but a shift operation. So DAB, so it is also reduced state. I9. So I9. So this is a complete canonical form of a given grammar. It is a LR1 canonical form. In the next video we'll construct this CLR table for this LR1 canonical form.